Good evening. Welcome to the seminar of General Studies 2020. What exactly is this batch? This General Studies batch will be useful for all competitive examinations that are conducted in India where you have the General Studies. What do you mean by General Studies? You have Indian polity, economy, geography, history, science and technology, general science, reasoning, and quantitative aptitude, and in some examinations you also have general English. So this is the complete package that is required for various examinations that are conducted in India. Maybe people who are writing the exams in Jammu and Kashmir, or Assam, or Telangana, or Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, anywhere you are writing, this particular course will be definitely useful. And this course has been designed in such a way so that you will be understanding the subject with ease. And all the faculty members are really extraordinary members. And for the benefit of the students, because of the existing conditions here, the course is being offered for just 1900 rupees, 1900 rupees including GST. So this is a very reasonable and it is highly affordable for all the students in the country. Maybe you are writing any state examination or any central examination, you are writing exams like SSC, this course will be absolutely useful to you. What extra you need to prepare is that your state geography, your state history, your state economy. That's it. And this constitute very little amount of marks as far as any state examination is concerned. And kindly remember, this course is concentrating on the exams that are conducted in objective type. Hence, it will be highly useful to you, including the examinations like SSC CGL. And the students who are preparing for IAS examination in future, they want some foundation. You need to know polity, economy, geography. So initially, you may not be in a position to afford, very high amount for IAS fees. So join this course, learn all the subjects, your complete fundamentals will be clear. Once you got the confidence, then you join for the IAS regular course. That is the reason why please make use of this wonderful opportunity and join the course at the earliest. I am going to show you the details of this course. Kindly have a look at this. I will also tell you how you can join this particular program. First of all, I will suggest all of you to take a pic of this. Kindly take a pic of this so that you will have my mobile number, WhatsApp number, mail ID, everything will be there with you. Complete information I am giving you here. Look at the course name, General Studies 2020 for all competitive exams in India. Right, let it be any competitive examination, wherever you have general studies, this particular course will be useful. Note, for all state exams too, so meaning let the examination be conducted by Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, right, Rajasthan, any state, you will have this paper called general studies. And this paper will be completely useful for examinations like SSC CGL. This is also a great foundation course for all the students who are planning to prepare for IAS examination future. Irrespective of your background may be commerce, your background may be science, your background may be mathematics, your background may be anything. You may be having background of engineering or medical sciences. Let it be anything. For every student, it will be very useful. So, basic concepts will be clearer to you. It will give you a strong foundation to prepare for the IAS examination in future. Look at this. It covers various subjects like polity, economy, geography, history, environment, disaster management, science and technology, general science, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English. So like this, various topics are covered, but please make a note of this. This is course is offered in English medium only. Hindi medium students are also welcome to join. You can understand very easily, or any language students can understand very easily. It has been taught in such a way. So anybody with any language can join, but the classes will be available in English medium only. When it comes to the price is just 1900 rupees, 1900, and this particular discount will be valid only for a limited period of time. Hence, I suggest all of you who are seriously preparing for any competitive examination to join at the earliest. Clear? And this will also include downloadable PDF. Material will be ready. You can download immediately after you join, and tests will also be provided. Non-downloadable test will be there, and you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. This is my number, my mobile number, WhatsApp number, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm account number, everything is same. After paying the amount, you please send the details to me, including your name, mobile number, mail ID, course, and medium. Of course, medium is only English. And last but not least, I would like to suggest you all, please join at the earliest, because this discount, this actual price of this course is 5,900. So now we are giving you at a very reasonable and discounted prices, so that many students in the country will get benefited. So please join at the earliest. Now I would like to show you. Hope you have taken the pic of this. Take the pic. And I would like to show you, this is our site. You can open our site www.onlineias.com. This is the place where you can access our all classes. And in the menu bar, you please come to this GS 2020. Okay, at the top you can see GS 2020 All India. All updated information material classes will be available. And after coming here, you can watch a seminar. Please look at the syllabus. Syllabus has been provided here. If you want to watch demos are also provided. Then you can register through the so-called the site if you want. If you have debit card, credit card, net banking, rupee card, in any manner you can join, or simply you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. Fine. And later you will be given this access procedure. Once you know the access procedure, then you can access the classes. And please remember, these classes will be valid for 1 year. 1 year from the date of joining. Clear? So it will be valid for 1 year. And please make very sure that you are going to join at the earliest to avail this discount. Highly discounted one, only by looking at the these situations that are existing in the country. So we would like to extend our support to the community, students community, because we all belong to one particular community that is preparing for various competitive examinations. Hence, this is a wonderful and great opportunity. Please make use of this very effectively, and also inform your friends, your relatives, and known people regarding this course, right? And they may also be interested to prepare for any competitive examinations. Such a reasonable price and quality wise highest. So these type of wonderful classes you can enjoy from now onwards. So thank you so much. I wish you all the very best. Take a quick decision. Join at the earliest. Good luck. See you during the classes. Thank you so much.